The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for northern Henderson County in West Tennessee, southeastern Gibson County in West Tennessee, southern Benton County in West Tennessee, Carroll County in West Tennessee, northern Madison County in West Tennessee, southwestern Henry County in West Tennessee, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Jackson, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hickory Flat, Dollar, Atwood, Jackson, Westover, Ledbetter, Fairview, Brewston, Holiday, Medina, Leach, Blue Goose, McKenzie, Tate, Palmer Shelter, Buena Vista, Hollow Rock, Clarksburg, Transavant, and Vale. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.